both new to this. Neither one of us really have any experience with cameras, really.
His main idea for the channel is make fun of me.
No, definitely not. YouTube's a little more work than I expected. Now I'm going to start laughing. There's getting to be a lot of traffic, so he's worried someone's going to call the cops on us, so we figured we better get out. That's fine. Too much? Yeah.
How many times you want me to do it?
Is that Jonathan?
I said, how many times you want me to do it? I don't know. I probably screwed it up again. I just soon take this hat off anytime, so.
He's gonna have to wear it until we hit 1,000. So let me lift the filter out. Looks like we had a mouse living in here. By cheating, and that's exactly what I would do. Okay, anything else you want to add in there? Me and Papa John here, we just You say something. If it don't work out, I'm just gonna clip it anyway. We'll clip her all together. You're wearing a Santa hat. You got no shame left now. I forget the color already.
Vivid orange metallic.
Vivid. I'm gonna have to cut this out. He's the boss now. He's gonna tell me what to do. And it's one that, like I say, I've wondered about for many years now, but I never dared to ask. And Alex says that guy in the video looks like a Mustang driver. I hope you're happy now. You just ruined Christmas for Stuntman Mike. Well, you can only run the quarter mile so many times, people will get tired of looking at it. That's enough, isn't it?